What if I told you that one rainy day trip near Pune could give you breathtaking views, delicious food, and unforgettable memories? Today, join us as we explore the beautiful Pavna Lake during the monsoon season. Our family started the journey with lots of excitement. Pavna Lake is one of the most popular weekend destinations near Pune, Maharashtra. It is a reservoir created by the Pavna Dam and it is surrounded by the beautiful Sahyadri Hills and famous forts like Lohegaon, Visapur and Tikona. During the monsoon, the entire area turns into a green paradise. The cool weather, misty mountains and peaceful lake attract thousands of visitors every year. Whether you love nature, photography or simply want a relaxing getaway, Pavna Lake is a perfect destination. As we drove towards Pavna Lake, the views kept getting more beautiful. Dark clouds covered the sky, gentle rain started falling, and the green hills looked absolutely stunning. Most of the journey filmed from inside our car, and whenever we found a beautiful viewpoint, we stepped outside to enjoy the scenery and capture some wonderful moments. The monsoon weather made the entire drive feel magical. Finally, we reached Pavna Lake. Yay! The view was absolutely breathtaking. Because of the heavy monsoon rains, the lake was completely full and the water level was very high. For safety reasons, no one was going into the water. And we also chose to enjoy the lake from a safe viewpoint. Sometimes, simply standing in front of nature is more enjoyable than anything else. For lunch, we visited the Oven Lakeside Restaurant, a beautiful place overlooking Pavna Lake. The view from the restaurant was incredible. It also has specially designed photo point where visitors can take amazing pictures with the lake in the background. Of 250 per person. But the good thing is that this amount is adjusted in your restaurant bill if you order food. After waiting for a table, we finally got one and ordered our lunch. Enjoying delicious food. Outside again. The rain had become a little stronger, making the scenery even more beautiful. Before going out, I wore my raincoat because I didn't want my clothes to get wet. Staying dry also helps avoid getting sick in the rainy season. Then we explored the viewpoint, clicked lots of photos and recorded many videos. of Pavana Lake. The weather was so enjoyable that I couldn't stop smiling. I started dancing by myself in the fresh monsoon air while enjoying the beautiful surrounding, the cool breeze, the light rain, and the peaceful atmosphere made it one of my favorite moments of the entire trip. Sometimes happiness is as simple as dancing in the rain. Ding, 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 ding. As the day came to an end, it was time to return home. Before leaving, we took one last look at the beautiful Pavna Lake. This trip gave us stunning views, refreshing weather, delicious food, beautiful photographs, and memories that we will always treasure. If you are planning a monsoon trip near Pune Pavana Lake, definitely a place you should add to your travel list. Would you like to visit Pavana Lake during the rainy season? Let us know in the comments.